see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on.
I want them shits.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I want those up front. I don't want 17.
Man, I see y'all back to back. Looking clean. Yes, yes. I see y'all looking clean. Ooh, okay, okay. Hey, real shit, real shit, real shit. Hey,
That's the GA move,
real shit.
man.
Hey, y'all know what it is. Real
Hold
shit,
up,
real
Put
shit.
that arm back up.
Oh man,
Warm up.
just a little something. Just a little something. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. Hey, real shit. All right, y'all be safe now. Y'all be safe. That's me, my brother. That's me, my boy. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Shit nice.
Got a BMW that's seen as he pulling up. I see what's going on.
This on the side.
Man.
This one, dude.
Oh, you know that. Somebody got to get the driver's seat for it. We going crazy over here tonight, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Hey, it's going nuts. We got them all the way around. Boy, got the little chop. Y'all see my shit over here. Woo-woo. Hey, whole lot of horsepower over here, gang. Y'all see what's going on. All right, gang, y'all see what's going on. We about to get up out of here. They about to go to the gas station, so I'm about to go on and get it recorded real quick. out here chopping, gang. Y'all see what's going on. Man. Yee! Y'all see what's going on, gang. We lit tonight. Gang, y'all see what's going on. We sliding around now. We about to meet up with everybody else. They went to the gas station real quick. We had to let our cars warm up, so we out moving and grooving. Back when we meet up with everybody else.
Supercharger on this bitch, nigga. Yeah, that's a Pro Charger. My bad.
Yeah. I mean, it's a supercharger. Yeah, it's a Pro Charger.
Supercharger, nigga. It just ain't top end, nigga. It still count, bitch ass, nigga. I know what the fuck I'm talking about, bitch. Yeah, you hot. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. You hot on motor, but these niggas, hey, these niggas got you, nigga. I ain't even gonna lie to you, dog. Hey, all motor against a car, all motor, you cool. Against a car, all motor, bro, that's how you cool.
Hey, you know, it's just how I play around, bro. It's how I play around, man. Nah, bro, this ain't for sale.
For the Pro Charger?
It's about 10 bands.
10. I'm saying 10. Yeah.
Oh yeah, she parked.
Hey, where that real one? Man, he got that motherfucker. Where you get your Pro Charger from?
Pro Charger.
Yeah. You can order a Pro Charger right now?
Yeah, Pro Charger.
Pro Charger.
They in Lenexa. They in Lenexa.
Bro, they in Lenexa, bro. It's just a driver down the street. Oh, shit. And they gonna call it back.
All right, gang, y'all see what's going on, man. We done met up the damn QT. What's up, my boy? Hey, got the gang over here. We got the gang over here, man. Y'all done see we done met up in the QT. We about to mob out, and it's about to get lit in here. Your boy got to work, so we ain't gonna be out here for too long, but I'm definitely gonna try to bring y'all this footage, man. So tap in, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. We get lit tonight. All right, gang. out here tonight, man. It's lit. Breaking his neck. Sorry for all the blurs and shit on here, gang. You know what I mean? The lights and shit. I'm sorry about that, y'all. Trying to get y'all the best footage I can, but hey, man, just listen to the video. That's all it's about. Just listen to these VAs go crazy, man. Alright, gang, we'll be back. Alright, gang, we about to get ready to end this video, man. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all see what's going on. We went crazy tonight. Crazy tonight, man. This shit was lit. It was lit as hell. What a fun night, man. Definitely what a fun night. Sheesh. We killed it tonight, boys. We killed it. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Smash 8 in the building. We out with another game. All right, y'all.